Hello everyone. Today we're making a comforting and flavorful Thai dish, red curry chicken noodle soup. This soup packs in all the classic Thai flavors with a rich and creamy coconut red curry broth, tender chicken, and chewy rice noodles. It's the perfect meal for chilly days. For this recipe you'll need 8 ounces rice noodles, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs, sliced, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 13.5 ounces canned coconut milk, 3 tablespoon red curry paste, 2 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 cups sliced mixed veggies like carrots, cabbage, mushrooms, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 2 green onions, sliced, 1 to 4 cup chopped cilantro, lime wedges for serving. Let's start by soaking the rice noodles in hot water for 20 minutes to soften them up. Drain and set aside. Next, slice the chicken thighs into thin strips and set those aside as well. In a bowl, whisk together the coconut milk, red curry paste, fish sauce, and brown sugar until well combined. Prep the veggies by slicing the carrots, cabbage, mushrooms, halving the tomatoes, and slicing the green onions. Now the fun part, heat a large pot over medium-high heat and add the chicken broth. Bring it to a simmer. Add in the sliced chicken and let it poach in the simmering broth for 2-3 minutes until cooked through, then stir in the coconut red curry mixture. Let it come back up to a gentle simmer. Add in the soaked rice noodles and sliced veggies, except for the tomatoes and green onions. Let everything simmer for 3-4 minutes until the noodles are tender and the veggies are crisp tender. Finally, stir in the tomatoes and green onions and let them heat through for 1 minute. Remove the pot from heat and stir in the chopped cilantro. Ladle the hot curry noodle soup into bowls and serve with a wedge of lime on the side. A squeeze of fresh lime juice really brightens up all the flavors. You can also garnish with extra cilantro, sliced red chilies for heat, or crispy fried shallots for some crunch. This red curry chicken noodle soup is pure Thai comfort food. The rich and creamy coconut curry broth with tender chicken, chewy noodles, and vibrant veggies is simply irresistible. Enjoy!